hear me well?
Yes.
Yes.
Perfect. Okay, actually this is the time to start, yeah. And can you please tell me how many people are in your group? Who is the leader of your group? So it will be easier to ask like that.
Anfisa.
Okay, I can see only abbreviation of your name, so I have no clue what your name is. Your name is
Anfisa, your name.
Okay, the same story here, just like Gridin, but your name is
Bogdan.
Bogdan. So what I think we will do, first of all, if I can ask you to write, to name yourself with your name and surname. So name of the group, it's not really necessary. I think that I will remember that's like what group you are with time, of course. But as for your names, I will struggle a little bit. So if I can ask you, could you please rename yourself? Okay, because it's probably not really polite if I call you okay by your surname, or like Samurai Diana, so at least like for me it's easier. Okay. And one more thing, so as today we are going to have more organizational lesson with the test, can you please tell me, is it fine if I just speak English, or for the very beginning you want me to speak Ukrainian, just like for organizing our just like work, and then we will transfer to English? Or
you can speak English, but if we didn't understand something, you can translate. Maybe.
Perfect. Then I will tell you about our our lessons, the points and the topics and stuff like that. And if you do not understand just like something, then you can ask me, and I will either translate or just like say in another words and so on. So the leader of your group is
Anfisa, but he absent. You can see.
Oh. Okay. Well, if he's absent, that that he cannot be the leader of our group. So let's choose another responsible person, but that just like for small, just like for a short period of time. That's not forever. Any volunteers? Cool. Nobody. Okay. Then Katya Zhukova is her name. Katya, I would ask you to do two things now. First, do you have the list of your group?
Yeah.
Perfect. Can you please send me first to my do you have my phone number?
No, I haven't.
Who was that person who was
Anfisa.
Who?
Anfisa, I think.
Where is she?
She's absent. Like Anfisa have your number, I think, and she's absent.
Wow. Okay.
You can give me your number and I can.
So then I will chat my number here, and then you will send me your list of your group in Telegram. And another thing that I will ask you to do, that's like really important, we need to have a group in Telegram, which would be called KPI BS 13. Okay?
Okay.
I will explain why you need it. Probably, you have hundreds of groups already, but first of all, there will be our link. As we meet in Zoom, we will need to just like to make sure that everyone knows where to search for the link, because we had many situations when we didn't have the group, and then we had the questions, wow, where can I get the link, I cannot join the session, blah blah blah. So in this situation it will be easier, so we have the group. And also, okay, as we don't have the like the single book, yeah, just like for your studying, then I will, first of all, like I will send you some tasks, yeah. So, and for example, now, yeah, I will need to send you the task. So for that, we need the group, and well, that's really okay, important. That's really important. We have 25 people, yeah. Okay, and that's really important that I can, if we have some changes, so I have the contact, yeah, with all of you, not with a separate person. But again, I promise that I will not like send you too much. Yeah, I'm waiting when so Katya, actually you can like create a group and like add me first, yeah, then I yeah, then I just like start then I start just like sending like step by step some information. So for example, if you have some homework, if you have some task to do, you will not send me to Telegram. When Katya create the group, then I will send you my email, and there you will be able to yeah, like to send like your homework or some work for your absence mark and so on. But if you want to ask me something, please do not do it via email, because well, I will just like I will not find that. So if you want to ask me something, ask me in Telegram. If I'm not answering, just like you can text in the group that like, okay, there is a text message, can you please look through it better, stuff like that. Okay, that's for okay, I'm waiting for the group because I need also to send you your let's say your points table, yeah. So now I will write in chat, but then I will send you like a proof, yeah, like an evidence to our group. So you know that end of each semester you are supposed to have the test done, but during each semester maximum you can get 40 points for the lessons. 40 points just being present on the lessons, answering and doing some tasks. And additional 10 points you can get when you do the task end of the semester. So it's either a task, okay, as for task probably, okay, no, it's either a presentation or an essay that you will have to write, or if it's like a presentation, then it's yeah, then you need to represent, of course, to me and to others. And the second, okay, we have one more group. Yeah, we have one more group. Yeah, wait a second, just a second. I will try to, that's such a shame. Yeah, unfortunately, I cannot pin your group to the top, so that actually means that, well, I will probably ask you to remind me where your group is. Okay. So you can have a look actually right now. This is yeah, so the proof, like what you can like get at the very end. Okay, so every lesson, so and all together, yeah, so 40 points for the lessons and then 10 points for some tasks. So altogether for each semester you can get 50, yeah. So first semester 50, next semester 50, altogether 100. So as for the points during the lesson, you can get maximum 2.5 points. If you are just present, you are not answering, you are not, okay, you're not active, you're not taking part in the lesson, just for being present, you can get 0.5. 0.5. Well, we can agree that is actually not that bad. Yeah. But if you, of course, like answer and take part in the lesson, you participate in some activities, then you can get like 2.5, but it will of course depend. So it's like how many times you answer it, how active you were, about your grammar skills. Yeah, I mean, just like how well you can, because if you just like answer yes and no, and you answer like, okay, like 20 times, well, that's not actually considered to be like a highest point. Yeah, so that's for that. Okay, if you skip the lessons for some reason, yeah, then you are able to repass. But you shouldn't forget that when you missed, I know, like for example, okay, one lesson, and you want to repass that, then maximum what you can get 0.5. If you miss the lesson and you want to get like 2.5, that's not possible. You can get 0.5. Understandable?
Yes.
One more thing. Now, I'm not really sure that your campus already works. You know what is campus? Yes, no?
Like our class or
No. This like, okay, site campus.
We don't have campus.
So you don't have it yet. Okay, but soon you will have, and then all the points will be in campus. So usually, okay, we will have the lesson, and 10 minutes before the lesson, I stop, and then I check the presence, and then I give you the point. Yeah, just like answer it, and so on, and then I tell you how much you got. And when we have campus, it will be easier, yeah, because during the lesson I will just like write down in my copybook your surnames and names, where okay, and then at the end of the lesson I will just like, okay, tell your presence, okay, check your presence, and then after the lesson you will go to campus and you check your points. And my huge request, my huge recommendation, after every lesson, please check if campus worked well. Yeah, if I put you all the points, and if you have your points, for example, I told you, well, you know that you were answering a lot, and then you see the absence mark, so that means that something went wrong. Either I made a mistake, or okay, something happened. Because okay, last year we had a couple of situations when a person was answering like really a lot, but as I see just like your black squares, yeah, with like white letters, of course, like I do not identify you at all, just like completely. I do not identify you, and that is a problem. Really, that is a problem, because then probably I can like, okay, forget if you answer, I don't know. And then at the end of the semester, the person got instead of his like 98 points, he got 70 or something like that, just because there was, I don't know, some problem. And then okay, that was my mistake, yeah, but as he didn't check it, then it was really difficult for him to prove that actually he okay, that he was answering. Yeah, so because okay, it was like long time ago. So that's why after every lesson, check campus, yeah, when we have it. And then if you don't see your point, just like tell me, just tell me that well, you know, I had my lessons, or I had my points, but unfortunately unfortunately, okay, they're missing, and then we will solve the problem. Okay.
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 Well done. Yeah, so this that's what for the points. Okay, as for your topics, okay, The scene is okay, what is that? Just give me just a second. Sorry, there is some mistake. Okay, yeah, sorry. What I was saying? What was my last thought? Who remembers? I'm not getting younger, so I forgot. Were you listening to me what I was saying or no?
Yes.
Yeah, so what was the last I said?
We don't remember too.
Cool. Okay, so how should I remember? Yeah, as for the book, so as for the points, everything understandable?
Yes.
Perfect. Yeah. Okay, as for the book, you don't have the book, really, you don't have the book. That's why we will have, okay, different, give me a second, we will have different copies and books, and I know we will have different things. So our next sorry, I'm not Julius Caesar, and I cannot, as you see, do the things at the same time. Unbelievable for some reason. Okay, I'm really sorry, but I'm just like trying to figure out everything what is in my Telegram, and now it's like a total mess. Okay, just forget about that. So what I wanted to say that actually, as for your topics for the next, I mean, for this semester, well, for this year, they are, because, okay, I had a question about that. They are not actually connected with your, they are not connected with your specialty. Yeah, by the way, what's your specialty?
Biomedical cybernetic.
Again, sorry. Medical.
Biomedical
Computer science.
cybernetics.
Computer science.
Yes.
Well, because I was told that you're biomedical engineers, or that's not true.
Yes, true.
True. It is true.
Well, that's a little. So your department is biomedical engineering, but for some reason you're computer specialist, or
Yeah.
I cannot understand something. Guys, that's a question.
Number of our profession is 122. It is, but it is biomedical engineer.
Biomedical engineering, yeah. But
our specialty is computer science.
On the faculty of biomedical engineering.
Okay. BS 13 Челидзе. Can you please repeat?
But our specialty is on the faculty of biomedical engineering.
Okay, yeah. So, well, a little bit complicated, but whatever. So you are actually IT guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Perfect. That, well, I'm impressed because last year I was teaching FIOT, yeah. So I was teaching like IT guys, and now you're also IT guys. Well, okay, your university is a little bit complicated for me. Okay, whatever. Okay, so now what does it mean 122?
It's the number of our specialty.
Okay, understandable. So guys, I would really appreciate if you now can do one thing for me. Could you please now, yeah, and like, okay, change your names into first name and then surname.
Okay.
Yes.
Because I even like cannot see like the full surname if I want to ask something, yeah. For example, okay, the Samurai Diana, like everything is fine. Okay, for example, Romanen and something like that. Okay, so I sent you the I sent you wait a second, because I don't know, for some reason my Telegram on laptop is not updating. I really cannot understand. How come on my telephone I have at the very big, okay, on the top in my Telegram 5 pinned groups, 5, but on my laptop I have only 4. Okay, you are as IT specialist, could you please explain me what is that?
You put it in archive or something like that. I don't know.
No.
Maybe you need to reboot your Telegram and it will work fine.
Okay, I pressed on update my Telegram on laptop.
Yes, you should.
Perfect. You're my genius. Well, I love teaching IT guys. Really, you cannot imagine. Because I was actually last this semester I was like a little bit upset, yeah, that I'm not going to teach IT guys because they helped me a lot. And well, now that's much easier. Perfect. That's perfect. Really. Okay, whatever. So for the next time, I actually sent you, yeah, just like the task for what you have to do, because our first topic, as you see, the secret of success and searching for and processing information. I have no clue how these two topics are connected, yeah, and like who created like them in such consequence, but well, okay, we have what we have. We have only follow the rules and instructions. So the next time as our topic, so we will start with just like secret of my success. I would like you to, to prepare also a quotation. What does mean quotation? Quotation? Who knows this word? Again?
Цитата.
Yeah, very well. Okay, Kisляк, I need your name, because you see it doesn't like sound really good. Yeah, цитата. So try to find, or maybe you already know the quotation that you like most of all, that somehow defines the success or gives you the advice how to get success. But again, that's not necessarily the advice of some famous person. okay, it can be your relatives, or I don't know, your friends or whoever, because the quotation that I use, that's my father's, yeah, let's say like recommendation to me. And I think that for me, it worked perfectly well for everything what I achieved. And his phrase is, in every situation, stay a human. And well, I think that really it doesn't matter just like how difficult the life is, but if you do not overstep I don't know, them like dead bodies, yeah, if you do not like leave them heads behind, but you stay human, yeah, in every situation, well, you can achieve much more. And then you are not that ashamed, yeah, of like your actions and so on. So that can be something similar. So like, what do you think? Okay, so for the next time, be ready to talk about this like secret of my success, and the quotation that defines success or recommends, yeah, what you should do to be successful. Understandable?
Yes.
Yeah. And also, okay, next time I will send you the screenshots of the book, and then we'll probably will do some tasks and so on. And as we meet only only once a week, I think that during the lessons we will talk more, yeah, so we'll discuss more themes, because okay, like to translate something, to read something, you can do that on your own, yeah, you don't need me for that. But for speaking, but again, everything will depend, yeah, if you're one of those groups who are like lazy, who do not want to do anything, well, then we just like read long texts, translate them, and do exercises. So everything actually depends on me. Okay. Yeah, my email. I wanted to send you my email somewhere. I wanted to send you my email. Done. So after you ask your questions, then I will send you the test, and then you will not need just like to stay online. You can do your test, and when you are ready, and by the way, the test is only the first and the second part. So written part and speaking part you are not doing. So just like some, okay, tasks for the text and the grammar. That's it. Can you please tell me, do you have any questions?
No questions.
No questions.
Wow, perfect. I hope you have no questions, because I explained everything very well, not because you are confused and you have no clue what is happening. So you have no questions because of what reason?
Because we
you
understood
explained
all your information.
Perfect. Yeah, because you understood everything. Good. Okay, then what we do? I sent you the test. Did you get it? Yeah. So you can open it. And so task 1, reading comprehension, and task 2, grammar. That's it. Okay. And you don't need to rewrite the task, just like, okay, in the answers, you should write like 1A, 2B, 3C, and so on. Understandable?
Yes, it is understandable.
Perfect. Okay. Then if everything is understandable, then I will check if I have your list of your group. Yeah, I have. Well, then the only thing what I can do, okay, just like give me a second. Yeah. Then the only thing what I can do is to wish you, okay, a good day. Yeah, then good weekend. And then I will see you next Friday at the same time in Zoom.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, then see you next Friday.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Bye.
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 Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.